Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Yavi Alado. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you how you can get a free Oracle database that you can work with. Last time, I took you through a tutorial where you can download the Oracle VirtualBox, on top of which you can download the operating system that you need. You can either choose to download the Linux operating system or Windows operating system, but it is just up to you the preferred operating system that you would like to download on top of your Windows or your VirtualBox. Today, I'm going to teach you a shortcut, which is to have a free Oracle database that you can manage without having to install the operating system first and install the database yourself. We are going to work with a free version that Oracle has already given away to those who aspire to learn Oracle database. So today I'm going to take you through all that step to have the free version of Oracle database pre-built for you to do your practices. Without wasting time, let's get started. Now you can launch your favorite browser and search for pre-built uh, developer VM. On this page, you can just click the link to pre-built developer VM for Oracle Virtual Machine VirtualBox. When you come to this page, it will give you all the information about the virtual machines that are available, but you just need to scroll down. You have a nice table right here, gives you a summary of anything that you need. And because Oracle does not just provide databases, it provides other things. So it has a link to everything right here. But I'm going to take you through the very thing that you need to have. We first have Oracle 12c upgrade and the migration hand on the lab right here, but that is not what we want. What we actually need though is database app development VM. There you will have the Oracle Linux operating system version 7. You will have the Oracle database 12c release edition on top of it. You will have the SQL developer and the other application and the hands-on labs accessed via the toolbar menu on Firefox. So we are going to go and click on download and the instructions. And when you come here, it's going to give you an update information about what we just saw on the previous tables. It's telling you that we are going to have Oracle Linux 7, but the database that we saw is not actually true. So we are going to have, instead of Oracle 12c, we are going to have Oracle 19, 19, 19.3. So on a Linux platform with 8664, we are going to have a SQL developer and a hands-on lab and everything. So when you scroll down, what you need to do is to come here and download the Oracle DB Developer VM. As when you finish downloading the Oracle DB Developer VM, it is going to give you all the steps that you need to take in order to have that environment ready for yourself. So that step is listed on right here on a step 3 and a step 4. As it actually tells you the necessary step that you need to undergo in order to have that database environment ready for yourself. And because we are going to cover all that in this tutorial, you might not need to come right here to find those information. But if you still want to come here, here is the place you can find it. So what I'm going to do is to click on download Oracle DB developer VM is asking me to save it. Yes, that is what I'm going to do. Sometimes it's going to ask you to open it with Visual Boss Manager default. I don't do that. I save it, then I put it in under the folder that I would like to place it, and from there, I will do the rest of the work. So I click OK. So when you click OK, what actually is going to happen, which did not happen right here for me because I tried to do these things sometimes today. I still have my credentials saved in my browser. Otherwise, it will have taken you to Oracle page where you need to put in your credential for your Oracle account, which is usually your email and the password that you use to create your Oracle accounts. And there, when you put in those information, you click OK, it will begin to download the Oracle database for you. We can see now that it gives me an estimated time to have this completed. Uh, it is quite a long time, depending on your network speed. It might take longer or less time. But right here, I'm just going to pause this video and wait until it finishes. Then I will take you through the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so we are almost done with the downloads. So we have uh, about 20 seconds left to complete the downloads. Now this is the download that we have, so I'm going to copy it to a folder that I would like to have access to. Now this is the download folder. So I have another folder where I installed the virtual boss. So I would like to have this uh, downloads in my virtual boss folder instead of the downloads folder. So I'm just going to move it to the virtual boss folder. So I open another Windows right here, go to the directory, navigate to the directory where I have the virtual boss downloaded. So this is the place we have the virtual boss. I'm just going to minimize this a little bit, do some drag and drop right here. Boom. So I have it where I want it to be. Uh, I'm just going to continue with another uh, thing that we need to download. We need to download what is called Virtual Boss Guest Addition. So that is what we are going to look for. We need these two things in order to have our Oracle virtual machine working properly. That's why I want to take you through every details of this work before we start doing the proper Oracle database work. So what I'm going to do is to open another uh, tab right here and look for VBoss, VBoss guest, VBoss guest addition, all in one word. And what you need to do is to go to this link. If you are having trouble, I'm going to put this link under the description. You look for, so What version? We have a lot of versions right here of the guest addition that we need. So what version do we need? We need to figure it out. So what I'm going to do is come here and open up my virtual machine and my virtual boss manager and go to help and about. Now we have VisualBox 6.0 and right here you can see VisualBox 6.0.14. So that is what we are going to look for. We have the specific VisualBox guest addition that we need and I click on that, come here. This is what I want. Oracle VM VirtualBox Guest Addition Part 6014 VBoss Stand Part. So I click on it. I am going to save it like I did last time and download it. Very fast. The downloads completed. So now I don't want to do it right away. So I know what I want to do. So I'm going to take it, drag it, and place it right here as well. Everything is completed for us. We are now ready to have our virtual machine, and that is what I'm going to show you in the next video. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I will see you in the next video where we are going to properly have our virtual machine installed on the top of the virtual box, and we are going to start exploring everything.